Hi, so let's do today's 19th January Leetcode problem of the day. I'll go ahead and share my screen. I've not yet seen it, but yeah, let's do it. Koko eating bananas. Okay. Okay, it's taking a lot of time to load. Okay, we have the problem. Let's do it with a timer. Koko loves to eat bananas. There are n piles of bananas, and the ith pile has piled bananas. The guards have gone and will come back in H hours. Okay, so these are the piles, and on the first pile is 3, then 6, then 7, then 11 bananas, and for 8 hours the guard is not there. Koko can decide her bananas per hour eating speed of K. Koko can decide her bananas per hour eating speed of K. Each hour she chooses some pile of bananas and eats 3 bananas from that pile. If the pile has less than K bananas, she eats all of them instantly. Likes to eat slow, but still wants to finish eating all the bananas before the guards return. Return the minimum K such that she can eat all within each hour. She likes to eat slow, so that's the minimum number to get. And she wants to finish all eating before the guards return. Okay, so the answer could be either she eats all of them together, like the minimum would be max 4. That is like in 1 hour itself, she will eat of 11, 7, 6, and 3. Otherwise, it would be 8 by 4. Eat all the bananas within HR. We have to return a minimum integer K. Okay, so 8, it's there. How is answer 4? 11, 7, 6, 3. There's no explanation why. In the first hour, she eats 4 bananas. Okay, so the first one she eats 4, second 4, third 4, 1, 2, 2, and 3. The total would be 8. Okay. Maximum 8 times. I'll try to solve it with TP. If I research on it, I'm thinking about it. Since it has, since it was 1 hour, it would not be possible. We can let's do it slowly. So we have a minimum 4 because it starts with file length. That's good. So okay, let's do by binary search. We'll start with 0 and end with integer dot next value, and try to see while p is less than or equal to mid would be p plus e minus p by 2, checking for a midpoint, and if can beat, let's make a placeholder for int answer equal to 0, and here will return answer. If can eat the piles in HR with mid bananas, and we say answer is mid, and then we update the begin. If it can eat, so the answer should be in the lesser range, so and it's -1. Otherwise, answer should be more than the mid. If it cannot eat that much, then we'll have public will can bananas per hour. So now we check whether those can we have BPS and the files are complete or not. And count equal to 0. Is greater than 2. Well, there are hours left and I want the ceiling function of the file that was selected and eaten. Eat the banana. Divided by BPH. Then the formula would be somewhere like while if I -1 divided by bananas per hour. So this use we have to add 1, and that would be and count. So what we are doing here is trying to okay. Okay. What we are trying to do here is create a binary search with inner 0 and else this and answer a placeholder of answer. Now while we made it okay, wait. So mid value is chosen to be somewhere half. Okay, off by 1. Let's debug why. So initially it would be some 214106 and then can 8 piled Yeah, that's right. And now when it turns to 7, that's also possible. Then it comes to 3. With 3, it's not possible, right? So begin would be mid plus 1. Basically, we want to record the last answer before it came out. With 3, it was not possible. We are just checking for mid where it went inside there. Okay, with 1. With 3 it passed, surprisingly. And it reduced the scope to go to 1, which should not have happened. Let's see what happens when 3 is passed. 3 is passed. It is greater than 0. First 3 is written. Reduced by. Let's do a try run. 3, 6, 7, 8, 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and it's equal to greater than or equal to 0. And it would be 4. There is 4. It reached the end, but unfortunately it was not completing. Yeah, so that should. Okay, now, okay, wait. Okay, now it's taking it. So now it comes with 3, and it becomes 4 and 4. So from 0 to 6. The mid is in 3. So it goes and takes 3. 3 says yes, and so 3 it's not possible. So then begin would be 4. 5, 6. It says yes. Okay, I think this should look okay. Let's try some other sample cases and I'll comment this. Accepted. Let's go ahead and submit. It is divide by 0. Okay, so let's say that is at least 1. Okay, perfect. So I'll just quickly explain what I did, and the order would be time for order of login, since we always decrement it in a logarithmic style. It's a binary tree, binary search, and space would be order of 1. So what I do over here is we have to find the minimum number of k, minimum number k. So we start with begin 1 and end is the maximum value, and try to see what could be the possible answers. We iterate through all the answers and check if we can eat files. If yes, then we return the answer. Otherwise, we reduce the scope on the left side. Okay, thanks for watching. Please let me know if you have questions.